I had many people discussing about the dollar compared to the Kenya shilling. I am not going to do what was done the last 2 years, to use our foreign currency, close to $2 billion, to keep an artificial rate of the Kenya shilling. It has costed us an arm and a leg. That we will not do. We will make sure that this is a liberal economy. We will do what we have to do to export more, to export labor, to export more products, to manufacture more, so that we can strengthen our shilling. We are not going to strengthen our shilling artificially by propping it up using our foreign currency reserves. That is why we are in the kind of challenges we are. So, our friends on the other side had better be ashamed of what they are saying, because we are simply cleaning their dirt. So, but, even as I say this, we encourage every Kenyan to hold us to account. When you speak what is right, we will appreciate, we will take the lessons. When you speak rumors, we will call you out. That's how things will be. So, good people, let us, as I told you yesterday, we have a historic opportunity as a team to change Kenya. And I am very confident that changing Kenya is within our reach. We just need to work together. We just need to be consistent. We need to persist. And we need to make the right decisions always.